Hi everybody, welcome back. In today's video, I'm super excited to talk about a product from Haakaa, which is the silicone milk collectors called the Ladybugs. And I'm really excited. Haakaa was generous enough to send me this product to review for all of you. And we're also going to be doing a giveaway of this product at the end of the video, so stay tuned till the end of the video to get details on how to enter to get yourself a pair of these. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Kassi Reyes. I'm a registered nurse and a lactation consultant and one of the co-founders of People's Lactation based here in Washington, D.C. I'm so happy you found the channel. Remember to subscribe down below and hit the bell to get notifications when I post new videos related to lactation and breast or chest feeding. So if you guys haven't heard of this product yet, this is a product from Haakaa. We're going to talk about a little bit of the differences between this and the silicone pump that they're well known for. This is another form of milk collection that is really cool because it sits right inside your bra, so you don't have to worry as much about it getting kicked off like the original silicone pump, and it's super convenient to just be able to wear it right in your bra. And the other cool thing about it is that it doesn't cause suction like the original pump. So some people can see that their supply is affected by the amount of suction caused by, here, I have one right here, by the original silicone pump, because this one does in fact stay on with quite a significant amount of suction. It can affect your milk supply and increase it, which is not something that all parents are looking to do. If you want more information and tips and tricks on how to use this pump, check out my video here that I did specifically about this pump. So let's go ahead and open this box up and see what's in here. So this comes with two pieces, and actually the collectors come in two sizes. It comes in a 75 milliliter and 150 milliliter container. These ones are 750 milliliters. So let's open it up and see what's inside. All right. Well, these are much easier to open than the cylinder container. If you guys remember that I struggled through it on that other video. All right, so we get two of these. I'm gonna open it up and take a peek inside. Super cute design. It looks like a little ladybug, and it even has little feet on the bottom so that when you take it off, you can actually sit it. I'm going to sit it back here and we can zoom in on that. It will actually stand without tipping over. So here's another one, and you can see in the back there's a little cutout here, and that's where you are going to set it against your skin, and your nipple will be centered right in the middle. And you can even, here, let me show you on this. You center it right over the nipple like that, and you can even apply a little bit of pressure here, and it will stay on with a little bit of suction on its own, but very gentle suction. And it can be worn pretty comfortably right inside of your bra. This is made with 100% food grade silicone, so it's safe. And you just want to wash it and clean it just like you do with any of your pump parts. Just rinse it with some warm soapy water between uses. Let it air dry and make sure that you sterilize it maybe a couple times a week if you're using it regularly. Haakaa does say it can be sterilized in boiling water. You can see on the top of this that it has a little valve that's covered, and you just pop this off to open it. and then you can just pour the milk right out from there, right into a bottle or a milk storage bag. So a common question that may be popping into your mind is whether this is the same as a pump. It is not the same as a pump. It is more like an alternative to a pad that absorbs the milk so that you can actually collect that milk and keep it for storage or for a later feeding. And while it does cause a little bit of suction, remember it's different even than this silicone pump in the fact that the suction is much more minor and shouldn't affect your milk supply. The other cool thing about this is that it should fit more discreetly inside your bra. It's much harder for your baby to kick it off if your baby's feeding on one side and you're using this on the other side to catch a letdown. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on for you just so you can see what it would look like inside your bra and underneath your clothing if you were to wear it during the day. If you're a person who tends to leak milk during the day and you think this could be useful for you, I'll go ahead and show you what that's gonna look like. Okay, so for the purpose of demonstration, it's not totally unnoticeable underneath your shirt, but this side I'm not using one, and on this side I am using it. You don't know if you can see the difference. It does give you a little bit of a dome appearance on the end of your bra, but if you're wearing a loose shirt, you probably won't even notice the difference, and can be a super useful tool and a cool way to save some extra milk. So there you have it. I have been recommending this product to parents that I work with in my practice when they're having some extra leaking milk that they want to be able to save. This often happens when there is a bit of an oversupply, in which case I may not be recommending or as quick to recommend this silicone pump because of the effect that it can have on increasing milk supply. So this is an awesome alternative to the silicone pump that we've talked about before for catching milk and storing it for later instead of just losing that milk by using a pad to collect it. Pretty simple, super straightforward. If you guys have any questions, please comment down below. I will actually be including a code for 10% off of the Haakaa Ladybug. So grab that link down below. And remember, I said we'd be doing a giveaway. On the top of the screen, you're gonna find our handle for Instagram. Go ahead and follow us on Instagram, and you're gonna follow Haakaa as well. We'll post the instructions for entering the giveaway on our Instagram. So go ahead and follow us over there and get yourself a pair of these super cool ladybugs, which are a super useful tool, and I hope you guys like the video. Please remember to subscribe down below to join the community and join the discussion that's happening down in the comments. I love that this has grown into a community of parents supporting each other through their lactation journeys. Remember to hit the bell so you're notified each week when I post a new video. And I look forward to seeing you all next week. Bye, take care.